We got some games we're playing here.
We do got some games.
All right.
So,
Yeah. What do we got going on?
Matt, you're going to name these 5 problems on the golf course blindly.
5 problems like as a golfer I come up with?
As a superintendent.
As a superintendent. Well, that's good.
Number 1 is flooding.
Flooding on a golf course. Now, are we talking like the whole place?
Multiple holes flooded.
No, this is bad. You can't play, you can't mow, you can't do any maintenance work. I don't know what's coming next, but there might be something worse. I'm doing flooding 2.
Number 2 is winter kill.
The winter kill, so you can protect that. It doesn't take everybody. I'm gonna put that at like doesn't look good on the course, but that's number 4.
Number 3, hydraulic leak on a green.
See, that just looks ugly, and that's just kind of embarrassing. But I already did number 2, and it's not. I'm going 3. That's the 3rd worst.
Number 4, labor shortage.
That's a problem. And if you don't have any labor, you can't work the golf course. I'm going number 1. I'm going. That's got to be the worst problem anyone could have on a golf course right now. A problem. I was either top or bottom, and so I'm rolling the dice here. What do we got?
Number 5, before the course opens, golfer.
Oh, this is good. I got it right. That's number 5. I mean, it's a pain in the butt. I'm sure it has to go 5, and so it's got to go number 5. I think that's good.
Good.